Hello, welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on human resource management. I am Pavithra, working as assistant professor at the Department of Business Administration UG at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this lecture video, we are being discussing about the basics of human resource management and different functions involved in human resource management. So in this video today, we will be discussing about the next function of HRM, that is training and development process. Previously we have been discussing about recruitment and selection process. So in the recruitment and selection process we have been discussed about what is recruitment process and how important it is to recruit a right person for a right job based on the job requirements and need, and we have been additionally discussing about job description and job specification. So in this video we will be discussing on to training and development. So moving on to today's video. So coming on to training and development. So as we discussed priorly, the role of a human resource manager doesn't end once he recruit a person into a job. Once he identifies the need of the organization and appoints a right best fitted employee into an organization, and with that the role of an HR manager that doesn't close. It's just a first step of an human resource manager. So the next proceeding steps will be moving on to a training and development process. Once an employee is recruited inside an organization, it is most important to ensure that the newly joined employee is fully understood about the terms and policies of the organization, and he is clear with the roles and responsibility that he would be allocated with. So the role of an HR manager is to ensure the appropriate training and development of an employee. So a training and development program is not only for a newly joined employee. At the same time, the person's already retaining in the organization, and for those people also a training and development program will be provided to ensure their development, their growth, and to make them groom themselves towards the professionalism and the next phase of advancement. So the training and development process acts as a two-sided coin, that whereas this benefits both the employer as well as an employee. So what would be the benefit of an employer for in providing a training and development program? In the sense, if the employees inside the organization are more productive and skilled, so the works would be more smoother, and every employees would be more um, productive, and the work would also end with a positive result. Whereas what is the benefit of an employee? So the employee would feel more secured and more happier that the organization is investing in their development and personal growth. So this leads to a high job satisfaction of an employee. So that is what we have been discussing in this training and development. Whereas hiring a qualified employee is just only a primary aspect of a human resource department. In order to retain that talented employee inside the organization or inside the competitive world without moving on to our competitive organization, it is more responsibility of a HR manager to for launching employee development initiatives to retain the existing employee, at the same time uh, to make them more familiarized with new technologies and new aspects introduced in their industry. So this could entail additional on-the-job training, professional development programs, or educational opportunities that allow the employees to grow and develop in their current roles and responsibility, and this would also leads to their career advancement inside the organization. So this HR departments that invests in training and development benefits of the employers as well as an employee. For what kind of a benefit for an employer? In this sense, uh, the highly productive employee will result in a successful organization, whereas for employee side of a benefit is that they would feel more valued, that the company is investing, as we discussed priorly, the company is investing on their personal growth and development. So this leads to a high level of job satisfaction. So that's it about the training and development process. So we have discussed about the two functions of human resource management. One is recruitment and selection process, and secondly we have been discussed about training and development. So we will be discussing about the further functions of human resource management in our upcoming videos. Thank you and see you all soon in the next video. Thank you.